If you want to disable biometric login on Grubhub, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is secure without using biometric features. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once the app is open, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Locate security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy settings. This section will contain options related to your account's login methods. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Within the security settings, find the option for biometric login such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Toggle this option off to disable biometric login features. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling biometric login, you may be prompted to confirm your changes. Follow any on-screen instructions to ensure the setting is saved. By following these steps, you can successfully disable biometric login on Grubhub. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Grubhub support.